Big changes for student loan borrowers. The Department of Education moved two key loan repayment applications.
It comes after a federal court issued an injunction preventing the implementation of the SAVE plan and other income-driven repayment plans. Consumer investigative reporter Bianca Beltran explains what this means and has tips for tackling your outstanding loans.
The conversation is shifting from forgiveness to repayment.
Nearly 43 million people in the United States have federal student loan debt. That's according to the Education Data Initiative.
Anyone with student loan balances is going to need to find out, first of all, what kind of payment options are available to them, and then start really looking at their budget to see how much of a payment they can handle.
Denny Cizak is a consumer lending analyst with Bankrate. When looking at your options, he says consider the built-in repayment protections with your federal student loan. Cizak says that includes temporarily postponing your loan payments. In deferment, interest does not accrue on some loans. In forbearance, it does. When budgeting for your student loan payments, Cizak says look at your bigger financial picture. Prioritize essentials in your budget, such as your rent or mortgage, then tackle the debt you're facing that has a higher balance or interest rate first.
One of the good things about student loans is that compared to a lot of other types of debt like credit cards, the rates are relatively low and you have repayment periods of 10 to 15 years.
Now, because of the court injunction that JC mentioned, borrowers who are enrolled in the SAVE plan are being placed in forbearance. Those payments won't be due until December. Now, NBC Response first reached out to the Department of Education at the end of January for information on future plans for student loan repayment options. We followed up this week after the changes, and we also asked for any information about deferment or forbearance for borrowers. We're still waiting for guidance for borrowers. Reporting in the studio, I'm Bianca Beltran, NBC 10 Boston.